welcome to my channel. So as you can see, I'm currently seated in my bedroom, and that tells you like today I'm going to do a bedroom revamp. It's more of I'm just going to make my bed and then organize a bit of the bedroom, change my sheets. My sheets, they need some changing and we need a different color. And yeah, I really also wanted to show you something. Just give me 1 minute. Alright, I'm back. So among my oils and my body oils, my hair oils, I actually used Dark and Lovely. This was Dark and Lovely Protective Relief, and I just removed the cover. You see? Yeah, so I just removed the paper cover, and I'm just telling you, in case you have these types of containers, please don't throw them away. Lately I've just realized that I have to use this. I just put some shower gel inside here. Another one that I'm currently actually haven't thrown yet, this one was for Garnier skincare serum. So you can see I removed the cover, it's called what? The colorless cover all over the bottle. Now you see it's very clear. Let me just try to zoom it in. It's super clear, and I have 3 of them. So these ones I've yet found a use of them, but I'm keeping them well because I know maybe sooner or later I might use them, not just on skincare. My purpose was having like hair oils, put them a mixture of it in here, like maybe rosemary, mint oil, castor oil, just mix them in these bottles and then go with them. So please don't throw them away. This one I haven't cleared it out yet, but I will be at least removing these stickers in his guapanje. Yeah, I'll be doing that. I also want to show you some of the things that I bought, but right before that, let's just make this room presentable and more comfortable to sleep in this bedroom. So let's start with the bedroom revamp. Stay tuned and please don't forget to subscribe. Hi loves, welcome back. So the bed is looking quite comfy and cozy, and at least the room looks taken care of, like there's a woman in the house. Anyway, so I had promised to show you things that I bought. I think I bought them yesterday. As we were starting this video, I'd mentioned that I'll do that immediately after making the bed. And I actually have some dirty clothes, like what? I'll have to call the lady who washes my clothes. I don't think I'll do that today, maybe tomorrow. So yeah, so I have a whole laundry basket full of clothes and beddings. So yeah, I'll have to call her to do that maybe tomorrow. But let me just not take too much time and show you things that I bought. So my next hairstyle, I'm currently looking forward to doing some dreadlocks. Hey, sijui nani aliniambia ninunue hizi, nilijiambia. Let me just open it. Okay, imefungwa kufungwa. So not really dreadlocks, it's like a locks hairstyle. And I'm a person whose hair stays for like a whole month plus without getting bad. And then I've been applying like waterless cleanser to make my scalp clean, and my waterless cleanser is currently out. Let me just show you how it looks like. But this one, it's so small, but that's how it looks like. Dark and Lovely waterless cleanser. I remember there was a time I had so much issues with my scalp and dandruff, but this one, once I applied it, it worked so much well for me. It's not an advert. I'm just saying what has worked for me. So this is the braid that I bought. It's called Twist Locks. Yeah, I think there are different braiding styles over there. Bought this one at Best Lady in Decathlon. Costed me 1,110. I was like, guy, it's a pesa zote. But it's okay. Sometimes you just need to spoil yourself a little bit. Sometimes, if you can. And then I also bought this. So I also bought this Petrova Naturals Pomegranate Face and Body Soothing Gel for dry, irritated and sun exposed skin. Okay, I think it's more of a scrub, but in gel form. And then it was coming with a Joy Revivify, ooh, collagen and jojoba night cream. So I think you have seen it just there. Yeah, I hope you can see it. So I bought this body scrub for like when I go to shower to scrub my body. But yeah, though my body doesn't have so much challenges, but I think it's good to take care of it. And pomegranate, I've heard it has really nice reviews plus scent, and I've ever eaten it. So once I try it out, maybe in the next video I'll give you a review of the product and tell you how it is. So something else, I think you had seen this. Now next up, coming up in the next video, not like the next video, but in this same video, I'm going to clean up my toilet and my bathroom area, and these are the products that I'll use. So I noticed that I don't have cleaning detergent of my toilet bowl, and yeah, so I bought some toilet cleaner, buy one get one free, for those who love promos. Sometimes you usually see like, okay, it's more affordable to buy two. So as when one to buy two at a smaller cost, because like I think when buying two I was saving like 100 bob instead of buying one if you have the budget for that. Yeah, so I bought this Atilia toilet cleaner. This is what I'm going to use to clean the toilet. And then I also bought some Jik. I'd not been having Jik for a long time, and I have some white beddings, so I felt Jik would really go well, at least to clean up those white beddings. And I believe you've seen this on my previous vlogs. So this one is for cleaning glass, tiles and window cleaner. So I'm going to clean it my hands, washing hands bowl, yes, with this. And so far from how I've used it, I really like it, and I'll buy it again and again, since it like cleans even like the dirt yenye imekata kutoka. This one Sufficient removes it. So this is what I'm going to use too. And these ones I bought them last time. It's more of a dustbin bags, if I'm not wrong. That's how they are called. And I realized I bought a very, very small paper bag for my dustbin bag. You see, it's here up to here, but then twice of this, so it opens up. Let me see if you can open it. If we can open it up where I'm saying. So you see, okay, it looks like this, but then it's small. I think it's for a smaller bin. So I'll have to look for a bigger bin bag. Wow, this one is so small for my bin. I'll show you. I just cleaned my bin in the morning because I usually clean it weekly actually. When I throw my bin bag to the dustbin, to the bin area, where English, nikitupa hizi makaratasi dustbin. I usually clean my bin every single week to keep it clean and avoid like cockroaches and pests. Yeah, so I think that's it. What I want us to do now is bathroom cleanup. Let me just give you a disclaimer. Don't expect so much in my bathroom. It's like any other normal bathroom. I have not done a bathroom revamp or a cleanup in my bath. Okay, not cleanup like you know, a decor, decorating my bathroom. No guys, this is just cleaning up and showing you like in a simple way, any normal bathroom. That is mine, a normal bathroom. Let's clean it up and wind up on the video. So stay tuned, please don't go away. because I've just used my bare hands and I don't think it's as hygienic. It's actually not hygienic. And yeah, but you've seen the bathroom cleanup, at the same time my bedroom organization, and I'm so delighted that everything has turned out so fine. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.